gentlemen, may we have your attention please. We will begin in a few minutes, so please find your seats and make yourself comfortable. Yung mga ninang at ninong po dyan, maaari na po pumasok dito sa loob at humanap na po tayo na upuan na comfortable po kayo upang masimulan na po natin ang party.
Sa ng anak. Lord, maraming salamat po sa magandang sikat ng araw para po may pagdiwang ang binyag at ang kaarawan ng mga celebrants ngayong araw. Lord, maraming salamat sa lahat ng biyayang pinagkakaloob niyo po sa amin at naway patawarin niyo po kami sa aming mga kasalanan na nagagawa sa pamamagitan ng salita, sa isip at sa gawa. Lord, gabayan niyo po kami palagi at sana po pagpalain niyo po kami ng marami pa po. At Lord, naway ang pagkain po na aming kakainin ngayong araw ay maging sangkap po upang mas maging successful po ang araw na to. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Thank you so much. Sabay-sabay po natin i-welcome ang ating birthday celebrant together with his brother. May I call on Miss Janessa and Jason together with their proud parents. Pasalubungin ng masipagong palakpakan.
For all the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, those you played.
To give us an opening message, may I call them.
Lalo kayo amin sa ayan pasyon celebrant ng Janessa at si Jason. Thank you, babe.
Ayun, maraming salamat po and welcome to the birthday party and christening. Okay po, pwede na po tayong kumain. Na tayo para hindi po magulo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sa! Sana mag-aral ka mabuti. I love you. Best friends forever.
Tawagan ko po si Ninang Rayalen Posadas para po magkaroon ng picture kay Jason.
Jason! Oh!
Sumako na po tayo sa pag-blow the candle ni Janessa at saka ni Jason. I-escort niya na lang po. Ayun po, in 1, 2, 3, go! Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ano ba yan? Happy birthday to you. Okay, Janessa, mag-wish ka muna bago mag-blow the candle, baby. Ay, ayun. Ayun, palakpakan naman natin si Sasa. Happy 7th birthday, Nani. Ayun, happy Christening, Sonson, and welcome to the Christian world.
Happy birthday, Sasa!
Okay, nabuho. Uban! Paunahan po, uban! Bring the uban! Ano gusto mong sabihin kay Ate Sasa?
Tanggal na yan, Sasa. I love you.
Ayun, napaka-sweet naman. Ito yung premium mong baby. Sinong gagalaw?
May invite mo, Ate.
Wala ko siya, kaya yung party. Ang daya ko sa part na yun.
Happy birthday to you.
Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It was destiny's game from when I finally came on. I rushed in line.